They told me to post 3 times a day, go live, build a funnel, and pray to the algorithm gods. I did all of it. 5 courses, 0 sales. I built a funnel graveyard. I posted content nonstop. It always ended the same. Crickets, wasted time, another expensive course from a guy who couldn't spell ROI. Then I found it, a faceless content system, fully automated, no posting, no filming, no building funnel bullshit. It was real, but there was one catch. You can't just buy it, no button, no checkout. The only way in, DM the word mastermind. If you hesitate, you don't get in, period. So I sent the message. Now my phone buzzes with commissions from videos I didn't film and content I've never seen. They said automation was a scam, but I say, watch my bank account. I quit funnels, I quit gurus, I run a faceless machine that actually works. Want in, DM mastermind before it closes.
Infamous Joel here. Welcome. And I don't want to waste too much of your time because this is a game changer. I'm going to get right into it. But first, if you don't know who I am, I came home from doing prison time back in 2019. I spent 7 years in prison. I'm not going to get into a long introduction here. The only part that you need to know here is I've been doing this since 2019. I've made well over 7 figures online. I've helped a lot of other people achieve 6 and 7 figures online as well. So I do know what I'm talking about. And I'm here to tell you what you saw earlier. If you saw anything about this, I'm telling you, it's not a myth. It's not something 10 years in the future. This is happening right now. Fully AI generated content. Let's look at it. Fully AI generated content that is bringing in affiliate commissions. This is the newest and best way to make money online. 100% hands down. I stand by it. I burnt down my entire business and everything I was doing before. That was a lot of manual work because I started seeing this, okay? Fully AI produced content. You can see it here being done on YouTube. This channel right here, guys, is nothing but a top 5 picks channel. This is all stock content. This is all AI generated stuff where he's reviewing different products and getting affiliate commissions. Same thing here over on Instagram. This is a fully AI generated Jesus Christ a stand-in and avatar. I think this is so cool, selling religious-based and spiritual-based products. Kind of interesting, and it's working. This person's easily making over 10K a month, and they don't even have a large following like that. You don't need millions of followers. This is working super well, okay? So I'm gonna bring you back around and show you what this actually looks like, because that's what you're here for. This is literal. I want to specify this is automation, which means we're allowing AI to do all of our work for us, all of it. Okay, all of it, not touching it once. This is not another AI tool to save you 80% of your time and all this other garbage people are talking about. This is full-on automation. Turn it on and it works without you. You can see here that this is the skeleton. You don't need to know what any of this is. This is what's going on in the background as you use my tools and you think about joining the mastermind, because this is the stuff you're going to be able to use. So you can see this fires off every morning at 10 a.m. Okay, let me show you how these things work underneath the hood. I'll start running through and doing a test for you. Okay, so if we test this, this is basically an AI robot that I've programmed to start creating video ideas for you every single day. Nothing needs to happen from you. You can see I went right into it, started testing it, and it came up with a script and an idea right out of the blue. It's programmed to research the internet, what's trending right now. You can see I just prepared the video. We'll go over to the next step where it starts to create the video. And then the next step is literally just wait, because a lot of times these videos take time to produce, even if an AI robot is doing it for you. So in the background, while you're having breakfast, while you're out with your friends for brunch or whatever, your business is running in the background producing content. And that, let's face it, if you've ever tried affiliate marketing before, that's almost always the big bottleneck, right? I don't have time for content. Oh, even with AI, it saves time. Yeah, but I still need to sit down and learn these different things, Canva and all that stuff. Forget that, okay? In the automated affiliate mastermind, the goal here is to make sure that all of your time is automated. You're hands off. We are building machines for the future future here. We're not building, you know, this new job or this thing that we're going to work 12 hours a day on. No, we need to have a business we work on instead of in. That's true passive income. I'll skip ahead in the video here because literally this part is just waiting for 10 minutes. All right, so we're back. It's finally done with the waiting part, and we're going to keep continuing here. It's going to go grab the video. And you can see a lot of this stuff happens in seconds, guys, and it happens in the background. We're just testing these steps. Again, you don't necessarily need to know what's going on because this is just the skeleton of what's happening in the background. In the front, what you guys will see inside the mastermind is really just a series of forms and options and ways that you can program these little tools I'm building in the background for you. So you're literally programming the robots and telling them what to do. You know, what products are you promoting? What kind of content do you want to create every day? And it will just do this for you. Now, this part here, it's now going to publish to my Instagram so you can see it in real time. It could take a minute or two to actually finally publish, but I don't want to stop the video here so that you see it's not actually hocus pocus and I'm not sneaking around behind the background and secretly posting it. I'll keep refreshing here so that you can see it in live and in real time so that you can see this actually happens every single day. Automated, autopilot. This is the real deal. I'm slowing down because I'm like, there it is. Okay, I'm stalling a little bit. I didn't want to sit there. So this is a completely unique video idea.
AI does your
Oh, hey, okay. I don't want to
work faster and better.
Okay, so I didn't want to make that too loud. I don't know if it blasted you, but you can see completely not the greatest quality. Okay, not the greatest quality. That's because this is just a demo. I'm just showing you guys what is possible. And this does eat up a lot of bandwidth and it could take a lot longer to produce a video. So I didn't want you guys to sit through that if I started adding in more animations and captions and voice and all kinds of action-packed stuff. But these can be more complicated if you want, or they can be less complicated if you want. All right, so that is it. This is what the automated affiliate mastermind is all about. Now, this is where you make a decision here in the video. Okay, because you can see what the future is. You can see these other channels who have already jumped on the automation train and have already made enormous amounts of money. You know me, guys. I'm honest. I'm right up front. I'm straightforward. If I see something popping off, I'm going to share it with you. A lot of big creators who are doing this stuff in the background won't be sharing this with you. I'm sharing it with you guys. I want to build these automations with you, okay, so that you can use my automations. We can share automations with each other. It's a true mastermind where we're actually helping to simplify our lives, our business, our income. It's going to be super awesome. But here's the kicker. At the time of the recording of this video, okay, I'm not working with a big, massive, a lot of people, okay? Because these are in demo form right now, because the little kinks need to be really mapped out, I'm just taking a few people, handful of people. You do have to qualify. You have to chat with me. You have to, all that good stuff, because I want to work with specific kinds of people. And here's the qualifications. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There is no such thing. Get rid of that thought ever on the internet. Okay, this is much simpler than anything else you've probably ever tried. Okay, this is a legit business that you work on instead of in. That being said, you still have to do some research, know what you're doing, what you're talking about. The AI, the robots that will be doing the work for you, still need the good input, right? You still need to train them and teach them what you want them to do. And when they're doing it, now that's where you get the results and the success. So don't blame the robots doing all the work for bad outcomes when you're not paying attention and you're not feeding them good data. And data to me is like, what are you selling? What is the mindset of your audience or whatever? What kind of content do they look for? Do they want? These are things we feed the machine. And once it gets great ideas, great data, it's off and running, making money for you. Okay. But the difficult part is the beginning part. But just know it is not get rich quick. I don't want people who think this is get rich quick. I don't want people that in the first week they don't make $1 million and they freak out. So I have to check you a little bit. So come DM me, come talk to me. There might be a link down below to come chat with me or whatever if you want some spots in this beta, because this is huge. All right, this is big time, guys. I'm using this for my own business right now, and this is big. I'm the infamous Joel. See you on the other side.